What did you think of your first Glitza experience?
I had a great first Glitza experience. I love arts and crafts. I love glitter, so it was a great combination of both.
Was it what you expected of Glitter Party?
That's what I expected of Glitter Party. I'll admit I didn't really look up the product online first, so I didn't have too many expectations, but I knew it would be adding glitter to anything, and I think that it matched that expectation.
So, is there anywhere else in your everyday life you could see using Glitza that you didn't get to use it today?
I would definitely, I would decorate so many more objects, like household stuff, also everything. I put it on the refrigerator.
In the future, could you see using this on your own or with your friends or younger relatives? Like, who can you see using Glitza with?
All of the above. I do art a lot on my own, but I also do, my roommate and I have a lot of craft nights, and I have younger cousins who I think would be all about this.
Oh, that sounds good. Do you have any other comments for us or anything else you want to say about tonight?
This was really fun. I really liked it. Thank you.
That's good. Thanks, Blair. Okay.
Thank you.